What is going on, you guys? My name is Josh, also known as Hairytornado, and this is my beautiful wife, Haley. And today we are leaving for a 2-day trip to Savannah, Georgia. We're just trying to get out and enjoy life a little bit. And of course, we're gonna hit some thrift stores along the way to see if we could make enough profit from thrifting items to actually pay for the whole trip. This is our first stop. We're in Summerville, South Carolina. Let's see what we can find now. So we literally just walked in the store and there are just shoes galore. I've never seen a thrift store with so many shoes. Haley just found this pair of Pumas. I mean, these are awesome. I mean, I've never seen anything, any type of Pumas that with that cool of a colorway. Yeah, I found these are like Etnies skate shoes. They're in good condition. I mean, obviously used, but I need to figure out how much shoes are here. We're still in South Carolina and I think
they're $6.
Yeah. Okay. $5.99. That's even cheaper than we have in Columbia. And I picked up this pair of kids Jordans. I don't know what model these are, but kids are probably like $4 or so. These are in good shape. What are these? New Balance. Those are clean.
Yeah, that's why I picked them up.
Yeah. I'll grab those. $6. Easy. Haley just came up with another great shoe find. This is a pair of men's Danner work boots. What do the bottoms look like? Just normal. Yeah, those are awesome. These are probably, I don't know, $80, $90 boots.
These
right
I
there.
didn't think as much, but they're Nikes. They look
Those are
clean.
pretty basic.
Okay.
But great find on the boots for sure. We don't only buy and sell used shoes. Shoes are just what we like to go to first. So once we finish looking at all these shoes, then we'll move on to like electronics or something like that. Came back here to the electronics. Not seeing too much offhand. I did see this Waring Pro dehydrator. Waring is a pretty good brand of like waffle makers. They want $15.99 for this. It looks brand new, never used, but sold comps on eBay on this is only about $40 or so plus shipping, so not quite worth it on that one, but we will keep looking. I always look out for like VCRs and things like that, but not seeing much today. Just found this and flip it over. It is a Black & Decker Space Maker can opener for $5.99. A little dirty, but these are a definite item to be on the lookout for. This is the EC700 model, and if you look over here, sold comps, pre-owned $52.49 free shipping, another one $49.88 free shipping. Just the hardware, which it does include up top, sold for $20 plus shipping, so definitely a good item here. So these Danner boots are the Danner Desert TFX G3 Coyote, and on eBay, let's see, $70 plus shipping, $78 free shipping. Brand new, they're selling for $190 free shipping. These are in excellent condition, so we might can even get maybe over $100 for these.
All right, man, what we got? We got
my shoes.
men's shoes.
It's another men's shoe.
That's a good pair of men's shoes.
Yeah, that's some kids' shoes. I don't know if these are men's or women's, but
We're
adult.
gonna call them men's.
Got a electronic for $5.99 and a pair of men's boots. So stop one of our Savannah, Georgia thrift trip, although we are not quite in Georgia yet, was a huge success. I spent a total of $33.94 in there. We got the Etnies shoes, the Danner boots, the Black & Decker can opener, and those 3 pairs of shoes back there. Stop number 2. You guys see that? See this from a mile away. TaylorMade kids golf bag. It's in good shape, which is at $10. I'll get that all day long. So I just found this Menorah bike trainer for only $4.99. It's in great shape. It works, like it should. Basically, you hook your cycling bike up into these like strap thing, clip things up here, and then you can like cycle indoors. The only bad thing about this is that it's big and bulky. It don't take up a lot of space in the car, but sold comps are there. I mean, $85 plus shipping. $55 plus $55 in shipping, $70 plus shipping. So we'll definitely go ahead and grab this. This pair of Merrell's like leather men's shoes. Never seen Merrell's like this. They're in great condition, but they're missing insoles. But I don't think that's a big deal. Shoes here should be the same price as the last location, like $6. I think these will be worth grabbing for $6. Of course, they got the glass case up here. Not much in it. A pair of Gore-Tex boots right there. I can't tell what brand. Oh, these are Belleville. Brand new with tags, $50, $49.99 on those. And then they got a TIA 83 plus calculator. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's $25.99. Crazy. Shoes, we got this Golf bag is $9.99.
You can't beat that.
Can't beat that. That's right. Then we got this bike trainer down here. It's green, $4.99. Another fantastic stop here in Somerville. We only got 3 items, spent about $21 altogether. This bike trainer should sell for $60 to $80 plus shipping. The golf bag, the whole set, it came with this like a kid set. The whole set was $400. There's still a tag on the very bottom of it, so I think we can probably get about 60 to 70 plus shipping just for the bag. And then the pair of Menorah shoes without insoles should sell for maybe 25 bucks or so plus shipping. All right, so we were about an hour further down the road towards Savannah, Georgia. We are in Walterboro, South Carolina right now.
Fun fact is where Josh was born.
Look at there. I probably haven't been to Walterboro since I was born. It's been a while, but this is a pretty nice looking Goodwill here. Again, we are still about an hour and 20 minutes away from actual Savannah, Georgia. We may hit one more Goodwill when we get there, but let's stop here, see if we can make some more money. I'm coming back here to the electronics first this time. Let's see something. Sony. What is this? Oh, it's CD player. Oh, a little Pitney Bowes shipping scale. Oh, $10. Jeez Louise. I don't see any VCRs or anything yet, but we'll keep looking. Another golf bag right here. Titleist. Wild Dunes. $8. I'm just not sure we have, and it's like rusted. I don't think we have room for another golf bag unless it is like super valuable. This would be good. This should probably clean up and you probably get like 40 bucks for it or so, but I don't think we have room for it. Oh man, look at these. Nike North, these are awesome. How much are these? I'm assuming shoes are still $6. These are really cool. Did you find anything? Not yet. Still looking. What are these? Cole Haan. Those are, oh yeah, weird junk down there. Ugh. Look at this little pair of Nikes right here. These are the in-season TR7. Pretty basic, but if these are $6, which I'm pretty sure they are, and they just need a little bit of cleaning, minimal signs of wear on the bottoms, should sell for maybe, I don't know, 25, 30 bucks plus shipping. I wanted to look up these shoes to see the exact model other than just Nike North, and unfortunately the size tag is like super worn. Like I can't really make out anything that it says, so that kind of sucks. But I just typed in Nike North high top shoes and there looks to be some blue ones. Like this pair right here looks to be exactly the same as these, just these are red and these are blue. And those sold pre-owned for $150 plus shipping. I can't find any red ones that have sold, so that's a little weird, but since these are $6, I think I might just take a chance on it. Yeah, not very much risk for possibly high reward. Got a nice little pair of Crocs right here, some Crocs like water shoes. A little bit of signs of wear, but nothing too bad. I think I'll go ahead and grab these. $6. Crocs are super hot right now, even these like weird looking ones. Got this little kids pair of Vans right here. These are a size 1.5 kids, and they have little unicorns riding skateboards on them. Pretty good condition. Well, maybe not. I think, yeah, that's peeling a good bit over there. Got to double check. Got another pair of shoes right here. These are some women's Ariat, like almond toe clogs. I think that's almond toe. Ariat. I mean, really good condition. Minimal signs of wear. I'm not sure on the size is 7B. Great size, very common. Black leather. We'll grab those. Probably 40 bucks plus shipping. Also found this pair of shoes. I haven't picked these up a lot. I think I've bought and sold one pair of these before. These are called Kuru, K-U-R-U. Really good condition on these. I'm not sure. I mean, these are like slip-on, and I can't really find the exact sold comp, but you can see other sold comps for Kuru. Different models. You know, $59.97 free shipping, pre-owned, $63 plus shipping, $50, $30 plus shipping, $45 plus shipping. Those might be one. Kuru Kiwi slip-on. Those look pretty close. $27 plus shipping. So yeah, I might go ahead and grab these. $6 on these. Say worst case scenario, maybe like 25, 30 bucks plus shipping. So the good thing about Goodwills down here in the lower part of South Carolina is that the shoe prices are really good. All these shoes were only $5.99 each, which is 51 cents less than we pay up in Columbia in the middle of the state. The bad thing, I guess maybe it's a good thing, is that they don't use bags at all. They have no plastic bags, no paper bags. you don't bring your own bag, you just have to carry all your shoes in your hand. Just showing you guys the receipt here. We got 5 pairs of shoes, $5.99 each. Doesn't look like there's sales tax here, so $30 even. I just rounded up the extra nickel to help whatever they support here. So $30 even for 5 pairs of shoes. So we have made it to Savannah, Georgia. We're only like 5 or 10 minutes away from the hotel, but I wanted to go to at least one Goodwill today on our thrifting trip. So we pulled into this one. I don't know where we are other than Savannah, Georgia, but hopefully we can find some cool stuff. We've already made a ton of potential profit today. I think given everything that we've already found, and if we find anything in here at all, we should be able to at least pay for the 2 nights of the hotel already just with the first day. So super excited. See a lot of shoes here. Oh wow, Hoka's. Bottoms don't look, I mean,
pretty worn.
Yeah. How much are they?
I don't know.
We got some Nikes right here too.
Let's see.
Some
Adult
bottoms.
shoes is
$5.99.
Or adult sneakers. Adult sneakers are $6.99.
Those are ripped on the toe. Adult sneakers. I think those would be considered adult sneakers.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah. $5.99. I think it's worth it. Found these 2 pairs of shoes right here. Orthaheel is the brand. I mean, these things look brand new. This pair actually has the tags still on it, so those are new. They look in great shape. I looked up Orthaheel on eBay and filtered the sold results highest to lowest, and it looks like Vionic. They're owned by Vionic. Like Orthaheel is a subsidiary of Vionic, and sold comps look pretty good. I can't really find ones that look like those, like brown leather ones or whatever, but I mean, comps are pretty good. So for $6.99, might get both of those. Waffle skin. Haley just found these Nikes. Nike, was it say on the tag? Something wind on the front. Tailwind 8. Those look pretty good. $5.99 or $6.99?
$6.99 probably for sneakers.
Okay, $6.99 for sneakers. Okay, that's good. Got a hat right here. Nice white Bridgestone B330 hats. I don't know how much hats are, but probably like 50 cents or so. Anything?
Not really.
What is that?
Putter. Dunlop putter.
Dunlop? As in every single Goodwill I've been to, all of the golf clubs are just old, not worth very much. Not the best stop of the day, but certainly not a bad stop either. We spent $29 and some change. The hat ended up being $1.49, which that's the most I've spent on a hat ever, I think. But not bad. I mean, like I said, each of those Orthaheel shoes, maybe like $30 plus shipping on either of those. The Hoka's are a little beat, but I mean, I've sold Hoka's basically in the same condition for like $30-40 plus shipping before. So depending on how white we can get them again, that'll determine the price on those. And the Nikes are in good shape. A little bit of cleaning, should get about $30 plus shipping for those as well. We're officially on day 2 of the Savannah thrifting trip. Now, I told you guys earlier in this video, this is probably going to be a 2-part video, so I'm not going to show any thrift store action that we do today. That'll be in the second part of the video, but I do want to give you guys a little synopsis about how much potential profit we made yesterday versus how much this trip should cost us in terms of like the hotel and gas and food and all that. So the hotel we're staying at was $350 for 2 nights, but $50 of that is refundable as long as we don't mess up anything. So $300 for the hotel, plus we're probably going to end up using about 2 tanks of gas. Like we used almost a whole tank yesterday coming down here and driving around town a little bit. So we'll say 2 tanks of gas, and for my 4Runner, that'll probably be about $100 in gas. Food, just dinner last night was like $100. Then we have breakfast is free at the hotel, so we have lunch today, dinner tonight, breakfast tomorrow will be free. So just, I'd say probably $250 total for basically 2 dinners and 1 lunch. So just that is $650 so far. And then on top of that, we also have what we spent at the thrift store, which we don't know what that total is going to be so far. But obviously anything we buy at the thrift store is just going to be cost of goods for what we sell. So the only really expenses we would have on this trip is the hotel, the gas, and the food, which is again $650. And we're almost there. Just in the first day, we were almost at that amount. So I think we'll probably hit this amount at the first or second thrift store that we go to today, hopefully. And then after that, the rest of the day today and then tomorrow on the way home, we will be in the pure profit. I feel like I should probably clarify, when I was talking about the meal prices, I know that seems a little expensive, but this isn't solely a business trip. Like, we did come down here to thrift to make a YouTube video, but we're also trying to have a little bit of a vacation while we're down here as well. So we're eating at nicer restaurants and trying to enjoy life a little bit. That was the whole point of Haley quitting her job, so we could, you know, come to random places and do stuff like this whenever we want. I don't know if this is a bizcation or a vacisness trip, but let me know in the comments down below what is the perfect mashup of business trip and vacation. So the actual potential profit from yesterday's sourcing was $525, and that just shows you guys it's going to be about $650 just for the trip down here to Savannah. So today, Haley and I are going to head to the Goodwill bins here in Savannah, Georgia. I have heard from several sources it's not quite as good as our Goodwill bins in Columbia, South Carolina, but we're still going to try it out. There's a ton of other thrift stores, a ton of other Goodwills here as well. So we're going to spend at least, I'd say, 5 or 6 hours, maybe even 7, I don't know, depending on how we both feel, sourcing again today and try to make this a profitable trip. It's awesome that we've come so close just in the first day to paying for the trip, but I would like to make a little bit of money if possible. So that's going to be in day 2 of the Savannah, Georgia thrifting trip. Thank you guys so much for watching day 1 of this thrifting trip. If you enjoyed it at all, take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below. It's totally free and really helps us out a ton. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.